have something that I need to confess. Summer is not my favorite season. In fact, it's my second least favorite season, followed by winter. I know, unpopular opinion, that's just me, but man, Brad on the other hand, he could freaking live in Ecuador and go out and play basketball in the 45-degree heat like every day, and it wouldn't faze him one bit. He loves the heat. So anyway, here I am. It's very early in the morning. It's probably, what time is it? It's like 7-ish right now, and I have breakfast, just finished my coffee, my iced coffee, and I'm currently working on a thumbnail that is for my new YouTube video that's about to hit the channel this morning, which means it's already up by the time you're watching this. So check it out right here. It's a vegan sheet pan fajitas recipe. It's so good. I've made it like twice since filming this. It's just like, I love Mexican food so much. So if you do too, I have a bunch of other Mexican inspired recipes on the channel, so I'll link them in the description for you to check out if you're keen. So I made overnight oats, peanut butter overnight oats with banana, very delicious. It's so nice and cold. I'm probably gonna eat about half of this right now and then half after my workout. I don't love working out on a really full stomach, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then I'll check in with you guys later. I've got lots of stuff to do today. I got some filming, some recipe testing to do, so that should be fun. I can't wait for you guys to hang out with me, and I'll see you later. Time for a post-workout green smoothie. So I added some soy milk for the protein, kale for the greens, added some apple, banana, and limes because you gotta get that fresh fruit in your diet every day, and some protein powder, you know, for the muscles, and some flaxseed, chia seeds for those omegas and other valuable nutrients, plus some extra frozen fruit. Blended it up, turned out looking a little bit swampy, not gonna lie, but it tasted delicious. And you know what? It did the job. That was a really hard workout. Anyway. Here's my delicious green smoothie. I guess it's kind of like a grayish green. It's not the prettiest color, but it is what it is. And it's delicious. And got some protein powder in here, so help me build strong muscles. I'm gonna go have a shower. I got some things to do around the house, like laundry. So fun. And I got some more filming to do, so I will see you guys in a little while and show you what I'm up to in the kitchen. Okay, now I don't know if this is true, and I'm willing to give it a shot right now, but if you run out of butter, heard that you can spread some mayo on your bread before you grill it in a pan. You know, like if you're making like a toasty or a grilled cheese. Apparently, it works like a charm. I just happened to run out of butter, so I'm gonna try this and see if it works. Could be a total disaster. Could be a total success. Damn, I will say, that mayonnaise hack on your bread, that actually worked like a total charm. It's all crispy. Wow, my mind is blown. Here's my sandwich. It smells good. It is very bacony smelling. Okay, well, I'm gonna try this out, see how it is. It's actually pretty good. That's a pretty good sandwich. Sorry, my air fryer is so freaking loud. That's probably that loud noise you hear in the background. But tonight we're doing just a very simple dinner. We're doing some Niçoise salad, or I guess a very, very loose interpretation of Niçoise salad. I'm sure any people from Nice or the Niçoise area, see, I don't know what I'm talking about, are probably offended by my version of the salad. It's just really good, like potatoes, protein. I got some white beans. I usually do chickpeas, but those are going in the oven. I'm gonna bake them up till they're nice and crispy. And then I bake a few extra veggies on the side. We're gonna do some radish and broccoli. Usually I try to do radish and like asparagus or green beans, but broccoli is what I have. And then you just have this like baked dish of protein, potatoes, veggies. It's so good. I'm just gonna make a really quick dressing and dinner. Okay, you want a really quick and easy salad dressing that you can whip up in like 5 minutes? I'm gonna show you. We got sweet pickle liquid. So just the liquid from like a jar of sweet pickles or bread and butter pickles. Amazing in a salad dressing. Chopped up green onion, 2 cloves of garlic, Dijon mustard, a little bit of olive oil, some salt and pepper. That's it. Give it all a good shake and it's gonna be so good. Oh, and lemon juice. Can't forget the lemon juice. Gotta have that acidity. Yummy! Sorry, that was a little bit too excited about salad dressing. It's just that good. Also, side note, have you ever tried baking or air frying white beans like kidney beans or cannellini beans? Okay, if you haven't, look at this. They like split apart and they get all like, I don't know, they get kind of fluffy. They fluff up almost like popcorn. They pop like popcorn. Let me zoom in on that. Isn't that crazy? And they get kind of crispy. Yeah, like chickpeas. If you've baked chickpeas before, they just get crispy. They don't really change their shape at all. But white beans, oh my gosh. Like I could totally whip up a batch of these and just eat them as a snack. Crunch. I don't know if you can hear that crunch over the blaring sound of my air fryer. Oh my god. Did I just discover the best snack ever? So I have made a variation of this 1,000 times probably in the last 3 years because it's just so good. Now, traditionally, Niçoise salads, from my very limited knowledge, they're usually served on like large platters, and they're more for like gatherings, so they're for sharing, so people can kind of pick and choose what they want. You know, they have like egg or like hard-boiled eggs and veggies and some cooked veggies and beans and sliced meats and cheeses, but this is kind of a very loose interpretation of a similar concept, but since we eat them so much, we just don't bother serving them in big dishes anymore. We just kind of dish out what we want straight from the pans or the jars or whatever, and we just kind of go for it. This is so good. So you get a really good combination of so many different flavors and textures. Like you get, if you like olives, salty, briny olives. We've got potatoes that are crispy. We've got these also crispy beans, which is just so unique and delicious. Great plant-based protein. We've got some fresh veggies that we cooked a little bit just to kind of release some of their sweetness. These radishes are so good. Tomatoes, broccoli. It's kind of like, it's so very random. It's totally random, but it's so good. And we eat this a lot because it's super easy. Doesn't require a lot of thinking. Really, you can be as creative or as non-creative as you want. And it's great for quick, lazy meals. So yeah, I'm just gonna shut up and eat. Ooh yeah, peach. I could eat a peach for hours. I don't know how many of you will get that reference, but whatever. So this is the end of the night for me, and I'm gonna enjoy my little fruity dessert. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe below, comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! That's a juicy peach. Peach. I could eat a peach for hours.